Tell Mama what you're doing.
Swimming at the bottom.
Okay. Okay.
Walking on my hands.
Walking on your hands.
Doing a handstand.
Doing a handstand. Okay.
Swimming like a dolphin.
Oh, no. Okay, gotta back up now.
Okay, Mommy, get closer. I'm gonna swim under her legs.
No, we gotta come over here for that.
Okay.
Awesome. Now you want to do swimming like an eel?
Then we got one more trick after that.
Okay. Very good. Now take a bow.
Huh?
Bow.